tides of time we stay on ways to brighten endless skies.
Our hand, a sun begins to rise. Harness a spark, turn it into light. Bound by the current, flowing through the night. Even through distance, we rise there softly glow. Then the heart will guide us to where we need to go. Sun illuminates, casting yesterday gold. Each drop of effort writes a tale untold. Today we grow from dreams that shine beyond the years. Guided by light, but hope and vision still. Harness the spark, turn it into light. Bound by the current, flowing through the night. Even here we stand, we rise and then we glow. Then the heart will guide us to where we need to go.
Where to go?
All the way
To where nature's most, where light will never stray.
chasing the dawn to greet the day. A power blended, our mission sincere. Preserve its beauty, elevate for the earth provides. Life sustains, filters grow from what remains. Together we shape what tomorrow can be, and green the world for you.